AI and the automation of business. Picture this: an AI-powered robot assembling a product with lightning-fast precision, or an algorithm predicting a major financial fraud before it happens. Sounds like science fiction? Well, it's not. It's happening right now in the world of business. Welcome, intrepid viewer, to our deep dive into how artificial intelligence and automation are revolutionizing the way businesses operate, from manufacturing floors to financial corridors and even the doctor's office. And while we're at it, we'll also explore some of the fascinating challenges and ethical considerations thrown up by this wave of change. You won't want to miss this, because understanding these transformations is key to grasping the future of not just business, but society as a whole. So buckle up and let's begin this exciting journey into the world of AI and business automation. AI is no longer the stuff of science fiction. From self-driving cars to virtual personal assistants like Siri and Alexa, AI has permeated our daily lives. And in the world of business, AI and automation are revolutionizing how companies operate, bringing in efficiencies, reducing costs, and introducing entirely new business models. First, let's start by understanding what AI is. Artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science focused on developing machines that can perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence. These tasks include learning, reasoning, problem-solving, perception, and language understanding. There are two main types of AI: narrow AI, which is designed to perform a specific task, like voice recognition, and general AI, which can understand, learn, and perform any intellectual task that a human can. AI, alongside its subfields like machine learning and deep learning, is being used to automate tasks across various industries, from manufacturing to finance, healthcare, and retail. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data, learn patterns, make predictions, and then make decisions based on those predictions, often faster and more accurately than humans. AI and manufacturing. In manufacturing, for instance, AI-powered robots can assemble products, manage inventory, and even detect defects, improving the production process's speed, precision, and safety. These robots can work 24/7 without breaks, leading to significant increases in productivity. Here, AI is not just about robots on the assembly line. It's about sophisticated algorithms that can predict maintenance needs, reducing unexpected machine downtime. For instance, using AI algorithms, predictive maintenance and applications can analyze data from sensors attached to machinery, identify anomalies, and predict mechanical failures before they happen. By addressing these maintenance needs proactively, businesses can save money, increase machine longevity, and optimize overall production schedules. Furthermore, AI has given rise to a new manufacturing concept known as Industry 4.0. This involves the seamless integration of physical production and digital technologies. Using AI, manufacturing processes can become increasingly self-monitoring. This means the systems can analyze and communicate data in real time, flagging issues, enabling fast responses, and thereby improving quality control, reducing waste, and ensuring a much smoother, efficient manufacturing process. AI and financial industry. In the financial industry, AI is being used to automate tasks such as fraud detection, portfolio management, and loan underwriting. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of financial data, identifying trends and anomalies that can indicate fraudulent activity. These systems can also use predictive analytics to help investors make better decisions, making the financial industry more efficient and transparent. In the financial industry, AI takes customer service to a new level with chatbots and virtual assistants. These AI-powered tools can handle a wide range of customer inquiries without human intervention, providing responses quickly and accurately. This increases customer satisfaction while freeing up human customer service representatives to handle more complex issues. Additionally, AI and machine learning algorithms can personalize banking and investment services, providing recommendations based on a customer's behavior, preferences, and financial history, leading to a more customized and satisfying customer experience. Moreover, in risk assessment and compliance, AI is an absolute game changer. Traditionally, these areas have been labor-intensive, requiring staff to manually sift through enormous volumes of transactions. However, AI can automate this process, scanning thousands of transactions per minute with a far lower error rate than a human. This not only cuts costs, but also increases accuracy in spotting suspicious transactions, aiding tremendously in the fight against financial crime. AI and healthcare. In healthcare, AI is being used to automate tasks such as diagnosing diseases, predicting patient outcomes and personalizing treatment plans. AI algorithms can analyze medical images like X-rays and MRIs to detect diseases early. They can also predict patient outcomes based on their medical history and current health data, enabling doctors to make more informed decisions about treatment. Here, AI's predictive analytics capability extends far beyond disease diagnosis. It is being used to identify at-risk patients, helping healthcare providers to intervene early and personalize care. AI systems can analyze a multitude of data, including electronic health records, genetic information, lifestyle factors, and even data from wearable devices, providing insights that can save lives and improve overall health outcomes. Furthermore, in drug discovery and development, AI can significantly expedite the process and reduce costs by analyzing vast amounts of biomedical data. AI can help identify potential drug candidates and predict their effectiveness and safety. This has the potential to revolutionize pharmaceutical research, accelerating the development of new treatments and getting them to patients faster. AI and retail industry. AI is also revolutionizing the retail industry. From chatbots that provide customer service to predictive analytics that help retailers forecast and demand and manage inventory, AI is helping retailers deliver personalized shopping experiences, improve their supply chains, and increase sales. In retail, the use of AI goes beyond chatbots and predictive analytics. AI is increasingly being used for dynamic pricing, where prices are adjusted in real time based on factors like demand, inventory, and competitor activity. This allows retailers to optimize their pricing strategy and maximize revenue. Moreover, AI-powered recommendation engines can analyze a customer's browsing and purchasing behavior to suggest products they might like, improving the shopping experience and increasing sales. AI is also helping retailers optimize their supply chains. Through machine learning, AI can predict demand and optimize inventory, reducing out-of-stock and overstock situations. Additionally, AI can track and analyze various factors affecting the supply chain, such as weather conditions and geopolitical events, enabling retailers to anticipate and mitigate disruptions. It's important to note, however, that the automation of business through AI is not without its challenges. Concerns about job displacement, data privacy, and ethical considerations are significant hurdles that need to be addressed. While AI can automate many tasks, it is less capable of performing tasks that require creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence. These skills are inherently human and will continue to be in demand in the workforce. Therefore, the automation of business through AI is likely to shift the labor market rather than replace it entirely. In terms of job displacement, while there's no denying that some jobs, especially routine and manual ones, may be automated, it's essential to consider the new jobs that AI and automation will create. These jobs will require skills in AI development, implementation, and maintenance. Thus, the key lies in preparing the workforce for this change through education and training. This will not only mitigate the negative impacts of job displacement, but also create a more dynamic, innovative, and productive economy. Moreover, it's important to remember that AI, while powerful, cannot replicate human creativity, empathy, and strategic thinking. Therefore, businesses must strive to strike a balance, leveraging AI for tasks it excels at while empowering their human employees to focus on tasks where they shine. Regarding data privacy, businesses need to ensure they have robust data governance frameworks in place. This includes clearly defined policies around data collection, storage, and usage, as well as robust cybersecurity measures to protect data from breaches. Transparency is also crucial. Businesses should be clear with their customers about how their data is being used and ensure they have their informed consent. Moreover, regulatory compliance is critical, with regulations like the General Data Protection Regulation, or GDPR, in Europe, and the California Consumer Privacy Act, or CCPA, in the United States. Businesses need to ensure their use of AI and data aligns with these laws. Non-compliance can lead to hefty fines and reputational damage. In terms of ethical considerations, it's vital that businesses implement AI in a way that is fair, transparent, and accountable. This means ensuring that AI algorithms do not perpetuate biases, which can lead to unfair outcomes. For instance, if an AI system is trained on biased data, its decisions will also be biased. Therefore, businesses need to carefully consider the data they use to train their AI systems and constantly monitor their algorithms to identify and correct biases. Furthermore, businesses must ensure their AI systems are transparent and explainable. Stakeholders, including employees, customers, and regulators, should be able to understand how an AI system makes decisions, If an AI system cannot explain its decisions, it can lead to mistrust and resistance from stakeholders. While AI is transforming the business landscape, automating tasks across various industries and driving efficiencies. However, this transformation is not without its challenges. Businesses must navigate these challenges responsibly, ensuring that they use AI in a way that benefits not only their bottom line, but also their employees, customers, and society at large. This concludes our exploration into AI and the automation of business. We hope you found this information valuable and insightful. Stay tuned for more discussions on how technology is reshaping our world.